this video, you are going to learn exactly how to write the perfect cold email to turn total strangers into paying customers. Hello and welcome, my name is Angelina from AnyBiz, and I would like to dive deeper into the most painful topic, creating a working cold email campaign. And make sure to watch this video till the end if you want to get a present with 5 cold email templates with explanation why they are working. Subscribe to the channel and write in the comment below this video want a gift to get it. The first and most important things to do to increase open rate and engagement depends on the subject line, as you have only 2 seconds to grab attention. So, how to write subject line to be opened and read? The first thing subscribers see in their inbox is the subject line. Therefore, your subject line must stand out from the dozens and hundreds of inbox neighbors so that the recipient will want to open your newsletter. The success of the entire email campaign depends on it. With a full mailbox overload, there is a high probability that no one will pay attention to your mailing list. As a result, all the efforts to prepare promotional campaigns may be in vain. If no one opens your letter, you won't sell anything. Thus, the subject line of your email directly affects your income level. List several options, come up with at least 7-10 options for topics. This makes it easier to choose the most appropriate one for your email campaign and audience. Do not exceed 50 characters, because about 70% of users check their emails on their smartphones. Long topics can be cut off. As a result, the effect you were expecting to have on subscribers will be lost. Don't use spammer techniques. Do not shout at people in caps. They don't like it. If the theme itself is not interesting, capital letters will not help. This technique is more likely to attract the attention of spam filters than recipients. But sometimes it is appropriate to stress one important word in the subject line with capital letters. The next ones are personalization and call to action in your subject line. Here are some examples. Don't do launching a campaign in 2 clicks. Do launch a campaign in 2 clicks. Or about personalization. Don't do in this way. Get 1 free reply. Do better. Get your 1 free reply to make it more special. Next part of successful working cold email formula is pain target. Pain points are the challenges and frustrations your customers face. This could be anything from daily obstacles to unrealized aspirations, but they shouldn't be solution-focused. For example, needing a specific feature you offer isn't a pain point. The pain point is the reasoning behind needing that feature. Once you know your buyer's pain points, you need to write them so they are buyer-focused, not autobiographical. Here are some examples as well. Company-focused pain point. Our revolutionary cybersecurity software automatically updates with new industry changes. And buyer-focused pain point. Cybersecurity best practices constantly change, so it's difficult to keep up and make sure client information stays safe. This is something that's described from the point of the user. Solution. This is how you can help with buyer-focused pain points, and don't forget to mention it in your email. According to the practice of sending thousands of emails, better to offer a solution which is clear, short, and with some numbers. People want to know exactly what would they get from you. Final point, where most of people make it wrong, is call to action. What was the purpose of your email? Yeah, you want to have a call with that guy. This is naturally the next and the most important step to make it clear. I would say something like, if you are interested, how it could help in your individual case. For example, how could I generate you 5 positive replies from 1 cold email campaign launch? Let me know what your calendar looks like. Also, if you have Calendly or something, you could send all possible free slots for this call to make people choose from the option, which make them closer to the final decision. It happens that you feel yourself a quite professional marketer, but when you fail your first cold email campaign, you start hesitating whether you were good at it. Don't blame yourself. Find a way, don't forget to test everything, and use these stages. That will definitely help you to succeed.